Welcome to my WebJS solution channel. Today I am showing to how to folder registration in ArcGIS desktop. At first I am show this folder in my system. This is the folder registration. I am already create and this folder is open. Then this the show in the my data, which data in store in the my folder registration folder. So this folder can be registered in ArcGIS desktop. So at first open in ArcMap. At first connect the GIS server. I am connected GIS server. Then right click and then server properties, and there are two type of data registration, एक register database registration, एक register folder registration. So today I am showing to how to register folder registration. At first click the add folder and this plus icon, click and then which name to create the folder registration, then put the name. I am putting the some demo name, and then publisher folder path, then click add and select the folder, which folder is registration. I am already show this folder, which folder in create in desktop. Then select the folder. My folder name is folder registration, then select and then OK. And then second part in server folder path. Server folder path is the same as publisher as folder path. So this means in which folder in my system in desktop in folder registration folder. So this same folder to store in server. So I am connected in server. Server and which folder are registered. This folder are stored in my server in D drive. This is my folder registration folder, and the folder is stored in D drive. And this is the file location path, and my file location path folder location file location is copy and go back to in server folder path, and this folder path, which folder file location in copy in server, then the paste in folder file location and then OK. And this is the process in register the folder which has been registered in ArcGIS map. So this is the demo, which name are created, and the folder is the register in successfully, and then when the folder is successfully, then the green right click in here. If you like that video, please like, comment and share, and subscribe this channel to get new video. Thank you.